camper. Everybody, Bob, Loudmouth.
How's your boyfriend?
Look at that, there's our pouring rain out here. Water coming down off the tarp here. Singing in the rain. So we're having a good time. Here are our neighbors. Hey, is our camp? Big thunderstorm coming in. We're having a good time. I'm gonna head back inside now.
What's almost stopping?
Oh, back inside.
Is that take two?
Having a good time.
Me too.
I just had my first shower in a weekend.
Oh boy.